What is die casting? Die casting is a crucial method in the manufacturing industry for rapidly producing complex metal parts. In simple terms, die casting refers to melting non-ferrous metals, such as aluminum or zinc alloys, at high temperatures into a liquid state, then injecting them under high pressure and at high speed into custom-designed molds. Parts form after cooling and solidification. This process is commonly used to manufacture products with intricate shapes and precise dimensions, such as automotive engine components, smartphone casings, and household appliance parts. There are primarily two types of die casting: hot chamber die casting and cold chamber die casting. Choice between them depends on the material properties. Two types of the die casting processes. Hot chamber die casting. Hot chamber die casting involves the injection system, including the chamber and plunger, is directly immersed in the molten metal. It is mainly used for low melting point alloys, most commonly zinc alloys, followed by magnesium, lead, and tin alloys. Advantages: extremely high production efficiency, short cycle times, typically seconds to tens of seconds, highly automated, suitable for mass production. Minimal metal loss. No ladling process reduces splashing and oxidation, making the process more compact. Stable process. The molten metal constantly heat the injection chamber, avoiding instability caused by temperature fluctuations and cold material issues in cold chamber die casting. High-quality castings. Metal is transported in a sealed system, reducing oxidation and slag inclusion, resulting in superior surface quality. Disadvantages: limited to low melting point alloys. Prolonged immersion of components, e.g. gooseneck tubes, plungers, in high melting point metals would cause severe corrosion and reduce service life for metals with high melting points. Higher investment costs. Maintenance costs for core components like gooseneck tubes are relatively high. Low flexibility. A machine is typically dedicated to one alloy type, making it difficult and uneconomical to switch. Applications. Hot chamber die casting is widely used in industries requiring large volumes of small, complex parts. Automotive industry, sensor housings, gears, handles, etc. Electronics and appliances, housings, heat sinks, zinc alloys, etc. Hardware products, toy models, faucet components, door and window fittings, etc. Consumer goods, jewelry, small decorative items, etc. Cold chamber die casting. Cold chamber die casting is a process where the injection system is separate from the furnace. It's necessary to ladle from the furnace and manually or automatically pour a specific amount of molten metal into the cold chamber each time. Then advance the plunger to inject the metal into the mold cavity at high speed and pressure. It is primarily used for aluminum, magnesium, and copper alloys. Advantages: suitable for high melting point metals. The chamber and plunger are not immersed in molten metal, avoiding severe corrosion from metals like aluminum and copper. Higher injection pressure. Cold chamber machines typically have greater clamping and injection forces, enabling the production of larger, thicker, and higher quality parts. Process flexibility. Allows adjustments by controlling the amount of ladled metal, temperature, etc. Disadvantages: slower production cycles. The ladling and pouring steps extend cycle times, reducing efficiency compared to hot chamber die casting. Higher risk of oxidation and gas entrapment. The ladling process exposes the metal to air, increasing the likelihood of oxidation and gas absorption, which affects quality and requires stricter process control. Greater metal loss. The larger gating system proportion leads to higher remelting recycling rates and lower recovery efficiency compared to hot chamber die casting. Applications. Cold chamber die casting is extensively used in industries requiring lightweight, high-strength metal structural parts, automotive industry, engine blocks, transmission housings, door frames, etc. This is the most critical application field. Structural parts and tools, motor housings, power tool casings, etc. Aerospace and military, non-critical structural components in aircraft. For high melting point metals like aluminum and copper, cold chamber die casting is the only economically viable method. The prolonged immersion mode of hot chamber die casting cannot withstand such conditions. Die casting mold materials. Die casting molds are exposed to extreme thermal and mechanical stress. Therefore, they are typically made of high-quality steel, such as H13, to withstand these conditions. Common die casting defects and control. Even with optimal processes, defects can occur. Porosity, caused by air or gas trapped in the molten metal. Controlled by optimizing the gating system, adding vents, and adjusting process parameters. Flow marks, caused by discontinuous filling of the mold cavity. improved by increasing mold temperature, adjusting injection speed and pressure. Shrinkage cavities caused by insufficient feeding in thick sections, addressed by designing local cooling, adding overflow channels, and controlling holding pressure. Cracks, caused by uneven force during ejection or restricted contraction. Check draft angles, ejector pin layout, and alloy composition. Summary. We provide one-stop customized manufacturing solutions including CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, metal casting, surface treatment, and more. We are committed to delivering high-precision, quality parts. If you have any processing needs, feel free to contact Zintilon. For more knowledge on metal processing, subscribe to our channel.